Hello everyone, welcome to yourfaculty.com. Today we are going to deal with the problems on ages. Ages is an important concept whether you take it in IBPS, bank exams, any other bank exams, government exams, CAT, GRE, everywhere. Ages is an important concept that you need to follow, and it's it's actually very easy topic. So here I'll try to explain certain shortcuts and easy types of problems that generally comes up in ages. I believe it will make it easy for you during your exams. Do let us know in case you have any doubt. Our email ID is info@yourfaculty.com. Okay, moving on. At present, the ratio between the ages of John and Sam is 4:3. After 6 years, John's age will be 26 years. What is the age of Sam at present? So in such questions where there's a ratio, we need to just take the values with the variable x. So what you do is let John's current age be 4x and Sam's current age be 3x. This should be the first step, because that will help you get the answer very easily rather than giving John as x and Sam as y and then doing some calculation out here. Now, the next statement says after 6 years, John's age will be 26 years. So what does this mean? This means 4x plus 6 is equal to 26. This is a fairly simple problem. So what do you get? 4x is equal to 20 and x is equal to 5. What is the age of Sam at present? If x is equal to 5, John's current age is equal to 20 and Sam's current age is equal to 15. And what is the question? What is the age of Sam at present? The answer is 15. Very simple question. As I said earlier, when a ratio is given, take that with the variable x and assume that to be the age. That will solve your problem pretty easily. Okay, moving on to next question. The present ages of x and y are in the ratio of 5:6 respectively. 7 years hence, this ratio will become 6:7. What is x present age in years? Okay. So what is the age of x? 5x. And what is the age of y? 6x. 7 years hence, this ratio will become 6 plus 7. So after 7 years, what will it be? 5x plus 7. And what will be y's age? 6x plus 7. And what are they saying? The ratios is equal to 6:7. What do we need to do? We just need to cross multiply now and we'll get the answer. So 35x plus 49 is equal to 36x plus 42. And what do we get here? We move this over here and we move this over here. 7 is equal to x. So if x is equal to 7, this is 35 and this is 42. And x present age is equal to 35. Pretty simple, right? So don't waste your time in trying to first assume this part. Straight away take this at 5x, 6x and you will get the answer very easily. And if you are very quick in solving this, you would have seen that in a matter of a minute you will be able to solve this problem. Okay, moving on to the next question. The ratio of the present ages of two brothers is 1:2 and 5 years back the ratio was 1:3. What is the ratio of their ages after 5 years? By now I'm sure you would be very good at doing this problem because it's a combination of ratio and ages that you're doing over here. Now key things that you have to watch is 5 years back. What does it mean? It means your current age gets subtracted by 5 and after 5 years your current age gets added by 5. So please note these two factors. The word generally would be back and after. These are the keywords that you need to watch out for. Please don't do any silly mistakes, because the wrong answer will also be given as a choice over there. Now, the ratio of the present ages of the brothers and the ratio of, so let's say first brother 1 is X and brother 2 is 2X. That's it. You are now going to solve the problem pretty fast. So 5 years back, X minus 5 by 2X minus 5 is equal to 1 by 3. What do you do now? 3X minus 15, I am cross multiplying, is equal to 2X minus 5. Pretty simple problem. A problem that would otherwise look very complex because of ratio, combination of ages and ratio, looks very simple now. Why? Now, because you started assuming it in this way. So, it's X is equal to 10. Right? So, what happens? Now, the question is, okay, what are the ages then? It's 10 and 20. The question is, what will be the ratio after 5 years? So, after 5 years, brother 1 is 10 plus 5 and brother 2 is 20 plus 5, which is equal to 15 by 25. So, the ratios are 3:5. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, please do mail us. We'll be able to sort out your doubts. Question number 4. The present ages of 3 persons and the proportions of 4:7:9. 8 years ago, the sum of their ages was 56. What is their present age? Just like 2 people, 3 people, also you have to apply the same concept. So the ages of the 3 persons are 4x, 7x and 9x. So the keyword now here is 8 years ago. So 4x minus 8, 7x minus 8 and 9x minus 8 are their ages 8 years ago. And what are they saying? Sum of their ages is equal to 56 plus 56. So what do we have here? 4x plus 7x, 11, 11 plus 9, 20x is equal to 56 plus 24. So x is equal to 4. This is 80, this is 20, so x is equal to 4. So what happens now? So their present ages are 16, 7 4s are 28, 9 4s are 36. So find their present ages, which is basically 16, 28 and 36. You can, if the options where, the other way to look at it is, you have to look at the options where they are in the proportion of 4:7:9. So if just in case this option was not given, if it's not a multiple, what you could do is you can straight away look at this. This is a multiple of 4, this is a multiple of 7 and this is a multiple of 9. And if you divide all by 4, you will get 4:7:9. If you look at this option, if you divide all by 4, what do you get? Sorry, all by 5, what do you get? You get 5, 5 4s are 20, 7 5s are and 9. So these are the only two options which are conflicting in this case. If this option was not like this, then you can straight away arrive at the answer by taking these proportions and substituting it over here. Okay, moving on. The sum of the present ages of a father and son is 60 years. 6 years ago, father's age was 5 times the age of the son. After 6 years, son's age will be. See, again in these questions, don't waste your time by assuming that father's age is equal to y and son's age is equal to x. Don't waste your time. The first statement says the father's and son's age, the sum is equal to 60. So if the son's age is x, father's age will be 60 minus x, because their sum is 60. Because sum of son's age and father's age is 60, when son's age is 6x, father's age will be 60 minus x. 6 years ago, father's age was 5 times the age of the son. So what does this mean? This just means if it is 6 years ago, what is the age? Minus x. And I'm not putting any value over here. What will be son's age 6 years ago? And what are they saying? It is 5 times the age of the son. So father's age is equal to 5 times the son's age. It's very simple. Now you just need to equate. What do you get? 54 minus x is equal to 5x minus 6. The answer is right in front of your eyes. 60 is equal to 6x. X is equal to, I'm sorry, 5x is equal to 30. And you bring it over here. It is 84. So 6 is equal to 84. X is equal to 14. I'm sorry about this error. Please note 5 into 6 is equal to 30. So 5x minus this one is 30. So 5x minus 30. So 6 is equal to 84. X is equal to 14. So when x is equal to 14, so son's age is 14. Father's age is equal to, we don't need that actually here, but I'm just doing it for our understanding, be 46 because it is 60 minus x. Now what is the question? After 6 years, what will be son's age? After 6 years, you are take this value 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. So here we have the answer. Moving on, the sum of the ages of 5 children born at an interval of 3 years each is 50 years. 5 children, huh? Pretty big family. So each is 50 years. So what happens? So let the youngest, what is the age of the youngest child? Very simple. So we know that the youngest kid will be x. If youngest kid is x, the next kid will be x plus 3. Then x plus 6, x plus 9. And we have the fifth kid at x plus 12. So this is basically the age of the kids. Now what are they saying? If they are saying each is 50 years, and what is the age of the youngest child? Sum of the ages. Okay, so they are saying sum of the age of 5 children is 50 years. So what should we do? We just need to sum this up. And that is equal to 50. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x plus 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 9, 18, 18 plus 12, 30 is equal to 50. And 5x is equal to 20, x is equal to 4. So the age of youngest kid is equal to 4 years. Moving on, which is basically x. Moving on. The difference between the ages of two persons is 10 years. 15 years ago, the elder one was twice as old as the younger one. The present age of the elder is, okay, the difference between the ages of two persons is 10 years. So if one is x, the other is x plus 10. The difference is 10, right? And 15 years ago, the elder was twice as older as the younger one. So what does this mean? 15 years ago, let's put the equations first. We have one side x plus 10, the other side x. And 15 years ago is minus 15, and this one will be minus 15. And what is that they are saying? 15 years ago, this person was twice the age of this younger guy. And what happens? What do you get after on equating all this? It's pretty simple. You'll get x minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 30, and x is equal to 25. So the present age of the elder person is equal to x plus 10, which is 35 years. Thanks for watching our video. You can subscribe to more videos at your faculty channel. Like us on our Facebook page and our LinkedIn page, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Thank you.